Hello everybody, this is Sonia again and I've got another envelope to open today. Isn't this cool? Oh, I love this. Isn't this cool? Look at the work on that. Oh, look at the stamps. saving all this and the stamps and everything. Thank you so much. This is from Sue and she's from Art Time and she's in Beaconsfield, Victoria, and here in Australia. So I need to open this without destroying it in any way, because I'd like to use that in something. I might be able to just cut across the top of it here, because I don't want to, and please don't cut anything. I'm going really steady, okay? Nobody panic, I'm good. I'm good. Haven't felt like I've hit anything yet. Look at that, I cut that tiny weeny bit off. Oh, and a parcel. And a card. Oh. And a little tag. Oh, isn't this pretty? Isn't this nice? Thank you so much for doing this for me, Sue. I can't show people your information there, but look at this. Look at that. Oh, I love the work on this. I do love what you've done. You've actually stuck it to the envelope, this piece. And this piece you've actually done it on the envelope. That's good, isn't it? You got some stenciling and stamping, and it is really good. Thank you so much. I've actually got 3 like that. Oh well, in different styles, but from different people, yeah. Now this is a nice one. Enjoy your day. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Look at her working in behind this. You can see that she's done a bit of embossing and a bit of painting, and there's all different sorts of bits and pieces going on back there. And she's just got her information on the back here, which her favourite colour is purple. It is. Okay, so I've got a little card. You can see her favourite colour is purple. Have a beautiful day. Isn't that nice? Look, she's done this on a piece of tissue, like tracing tissue paper, sort of, maybe it is. And cut the die cuts out and put on there. A little button one. And she's written that on there. I can't write like that. Stitched around on the sewing machine. Done a lot of work on this. Thank you very much. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you so much. And it says Sue Art Time. And that must be her YouTube channel. I hope I've subscribed to you. If I haven't, I will be. So I can see what you're doing over the time. And now we've got this stars. Beautiful card. Thank you so much. Made for me. Thank you. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness me. Look at that. Oh dear. Oh dear. I'm going to keep this piece of paper, but oh dear. Oh dear. Look at the. Oh, look at the bit. Oh, look at the bit. Oh, look at. And she made me a tag. Oh, look at this. Now, did you put your information on this tag? Were you thinking about doing that? Let me see. Maybe. Anyway, maybe it's on this one. So she's made me 2 tags. And this is really cool, isn't it? There's a script under there. There's pattern paper on it. She's done these really nice flowers and stamps. Done a real lot of good stuff on this tag. Thank you so much. I might be able to use that in one of my books. I'll use that in one of my books, if that's okay, because there's, you know, one day I'll put it in mine anyway. I can put it in mine so I can make one with everybody's things and bits and pieces in it. Look at this. It's all, you feel it, it's all embossed. Yeah. Isn't that lovely? Thank you so much. Beautiful work. A lot of detail, attention to detail. It's really nice. I love that. Thank you so much. Look at this piece. Oh my goodness me, it's birds. Oh, there's another bit. Oh, I love stripes too. Oh, aren't these pretty? Oh, thank you so much. Aren't these beautiful? Oh dear. Oh dear. I'll be playing with material forever. Fabric. We should call it fabric, because material can refer to all different sorts of things, like material that people work with out in the yard, and all different sorts of things, like, you know, fencing material and that sort of thing. It's really weird, that, isn't it? And we always call it material, but it's actually, well, it's fabric, but I suppose it's material. It's just that the words that we use for different, everybody uses different words for different things, I suppose. Now look at these little flowers, aren't they so beautiful? And they're little tiny birds. I do love birds. Yeah, I do love birds. I do. They are beautiful things, beautiful birds. I love animals anyway, altogether. Look at that, isn't that lovely? Thank you so much. And this stripy piece, I'm having a bit of trouble with that bit of lace there. Look at these, the colours in these are beautiful, aren't they? Oh, look at this. Oh dear, aren't these so nice? You know what I can do? I can work with fabric. I can work with fabric, and I'm going to put it into with paper, and hopefully I'll be able to come up with with something that's right, that works together. Because fabric, you can do lots of things. You can do lots of things with paper too. But I like both things now. I've learnt so much myself since I've been on here of different things. So thank you very much, darling. I really appreciate that from you, Sue. That's so kind of you. So thanks everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.